Hey guys, it's Alison Victoria, and welcome to this month's picks. So with this month, I am starting with something strong, and it's with our cabinetry. So the Gracious Home Onyx Maple. It's a beautiful, rich, stain grade cabinet, and it's got a lot of strength to it. So I wanted to be able to lighten things up a little bit with our countertop selection. With this countertop, I love the flexibility of the finish. So this is the Corsica Calypso. It's got a lot of movement, but it also has a lot of white space. So you'll see some of these rich colors that tie perfectly into the onyx maple and kind of enhance that richness of the cabinet. But we can do this in a polished, as shown, or a honed, and you change the whole vibe when you do that. But I like either or, to be honest. And I think that we're getting a really fun, contemporary, lofty vibe already. And the flooring can also change the entire game also. So both of these selections, luxury vinyl, both of them are XRP. The gray owl will lighten things up and truly feel like a New York loft. And then if we went with the XRP weathered shingle, you get more of a rustic look too with these selections. With both selections, I've chosen the Gracious Home Cambridge Collection matte black. And then I would couple this with a black granite undermount sink, and I would definitely do a black faucet with it. So I think it's a really, really cool contemporary look with a traditional feel with colors.